Leaked images of the upcoming Galaxy S22 Ultra have appeared, and the handset is piquing interest across the internet. Not only the images show a beautiful phone, but they corroborate rumors that the S22 Ultra would be basically a Galaxy Note in all but name. Front Page Tech shared several photos, which show the curved display, waterfall quadruple camera layout, and thickness to accommodate the S Pen. The site also reported that Samsung had pushed the Galaxy S22 launch into February, with some rumors saying the company did that to make room for the ill-fated Samsung Galaxy S21 FE. With a slot for the S Pen, it's hard to even call this a Galaxy S phone. The rounded edges, block design, and thick body all look more Note than ever before. It's almost eerie seeing how radical of a shift this is from the Galaxy S21 Ultra's design, except for the camera array. These photos further confirm the P-shaped camera layout shown in leaked device and case renders. Front Page Tech claims that there will be 4 cameras: 108-megapixel wide-angle, 12-megapixel ultra-wide, 10-megapixel 3x telephoto, and 10-megapixel 10x telephoto. As the Galaxy S22 Ultra's release draws nearer, we expect to see and hear more about it. Samsung phones tend to have many leaks leading up to its launches, so be on the lookout for tidbits from Bytes Media by subscribing our YouTube channel. We'll see you in the next one.